Today, I'm cooking for a remarkable tribe in Tanzania known as the Gatoga people. The Gatoga tribe is pastoralist and skilled in blacksmithing, with a rich history deeply tied to their traditional crafts and community resilience. The Gatoga primarily rely on dairy products as their main source of food. However, during the dry season, when pastures are scarce and their livestock must travel far for fresh grass, they turn to vegetables and stored milk to sustain themselves.
Sasa utarudi kunichukulia hiyo unga? This is 1,000 Tanzanian shillings. This is 1,000 Tanzanian shillings. That's a lot for all that amount.
Today, I'm going to do what I love the most, cooking. My mission is to prepare a delicious chicken dish for them. But first, I need to find a chicken.
Chicken feeds. Like the ones they're eating there. But it's not as like those ones who get the chemicals, you know. Yeah. Sadly, we cannot find chicken here, so we are going to another place. Hopefully we'll get. So we are going to look for chicken because we didn't find chicken up there.
When I arrived at the Gatoga family home, the atmosphere was lively. They were busy with their blacksmithing work and warmly welcoming guests, including some visitors from China.
Nimetafuta kuku sipati. Habari ya asubuhi. Salama sana, shikamo. That's like a drum. Oh, sawa. Yes. See you. So luckily we found a neighbor.
After exchanging greetings, bonding with the family, and even snapping a few photos with the Chinese visitors, it was time to hunt for the chicken. Our search took us to a neighboring home. Fingers crossed that we find one.
What a beauty! What a beautiful home. This is where the animals live at. I mean, this is like their place of sleep. The chicken or the cows sleep on this side. There's a lot of firewood here. This looks like a big family. Say yo. This looks like a big family. We have chicken. Say yo, mama. Cooking ugali. This is the best place to cook at because it's outside. Sorry. So this is like an earbud. So you remove one feather. And then use it.
The Gatoga houses are uniquely built with either no windows or tiny holes in the walls to let in air.
I'm going to bring fire. Thank you. Hi. is it?
While this design works well for insulation, it makes indoor cooking quite challenging due to the smoke and limited light. But no worries, I'll make it work. I'll rely on the lights I have and push through.
Kizima hivyo bado ina record.
Unaonyesha picha?
Maybe this one. So the visitors came here and took these pictures. You know, this instant. They look nice. Then they wrote here, "Don't put in mouth." But you know, these babies, if they find it, they put it in the mouth. So this one should be put far away from the kids. Maybe here. Maybe somewhere here on the wall, like a frame. One day they'll look at it like this. This one. Don't eat, okay? Put it here. This. So, what I want to do, of course, we are boiling the water. The water is boiling.
As someone who grew up with grandma, I was in for a surprise when my cooking partner started preparing ugali before beginning the chicken process. In my experience, chicken takes at least 2 hours to cook properly. Imagine my shock when they casually told me, "Oh, it only takes 30 minutes here."
Yeah, we are creating a hole for air, fresh air. Creating a hole for fresh air. Yeah. So, you guys know the drill. You have to put it like this to remove the tiny feathers that cannot come out. Moto.
Anatoa mwichi kabisa. Mshike huyu uone. Huku moto halina. Uongo kidogo kama una shida nenga jua.
Oh. Niko chini first.
Utaweza?
There's a way when it comes out. Hivi. Kuna ingine kubwa. Hiyo ndio tuivishia hapa. We're in a hurry because it's lunchtime. Naleta.
Utaleta nikapeleka tu.
Sawa. What I've realized with these communities is they don't take a lot of time cooking. Cooking as we do, like, cause for me I need like 2 hours to cook chicken, but for them I think like 20 minutes, 15 minutes is okay. Yeah, so I'm just making the ingredients. It's very dark in there, and ugali has been cooked, so we need to rush with the chicken. Guys, you know, I want to make this different. I don't want it to be like how they cook their style. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook the ingredients on the other side. Then while this one is boiling, then I come and we put it inside. We pour it inside, then it will be like the soup.
I came up with a plan to speed up things. I decided to cook all the ingredients in one house while the chicken boiled in another. Since ugali was already cooked more than 20 minutes ago, this strategy would save time and ensure everything was ready together. Interestingly, I didn't need cooking oil because the chicken itself had enough fat to flavor the dish.
And I'm cooking it without cooking oil actually. Because this is a pot, the onions can just cook without cooking oil. Of tomatoes, onions, and green pepper. Yeah? I'm so shocked that the chicken is cooked. Mi naona si unajua nini kiachana na
Paja na ngozi, mfupa na ngozi.
Let me show them. Guys, see this. When this happens, that means it's cooked, and it didn't even take 30 minutes.
Once the ingredients were ready, I combined them with the boiled chicken and added water for soup
Just want to mix it up.
and let it all simmer for some time.
Very good. So that it cooks together with that gravy. Moto ni moto eh. Hakuna kitu kingine. Tunaweza mwaga maji ndani. Pole. Sorry. Just a little. Be careful of your cloth up. Minutes, I can't believe it.
While I was busy cooking alone, the girls were outside entertaining the guests. It's fascinating how the Gatoga people manage to balance their tradition and hospitality. Although blacksmithing is their main trade, their biggest source of income comes from hosting tourists who are eager to experience their unique culture and way of life.
This is the food. My food. We were supposed to share. Ilifaa tukule wote hapa. Lakini today I'm eating by myself. Then there's milk. I love that milk. Full. We have ate and finished.
In my culture, it is customary to serve older people and children first. Alternatively, we set aside a bowl with the best parts to share fairly among everyone. So I was a bit surprised to see the cooks here eating fast and taking what seemed to be the best parts. But then again, perhaps, in this culture, there's no concept of best or bad parts. Everything is equally special.
baba. Ah!
After the meal, I was asked to serve milk to the men. In the Gatoga community, milk holds significant culture value. It's not just a staple food, it is a symbol of resilience and sustenance, always available regardless of whether in the dry season or the cold season.
The kids, with the ladies. Whoa. Those are some big chunks of ugali.
No, I don't want. Just have a look that you read. That the woman, the tourists do it for you.
Hey. Marakwanya sekiraka sahau nini? Jangan ah. Ano udah ada mau ada. Isi ani tinda tahu.
Hawataki kuona. Oh, ni mbali hivyo. Oh, ni pori. Oh, huko. Oh.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also share it on Facebook, WhatsApp, or in your YouTube community. Be sure to check out my Patreon, link in the description below, to get early access to my upcoming videos. Your support means the world to me. Thank you.